Welcome you all. Today we are here with another idiomatic expression, and that is keep abreast of. Keep abreast of, which means to advance at an equal pace with, not to fall behind, or to know the latest ideas, discoveries or events etc. इसको हम उर्दू में किसी मजमून या सूरत हाल के मुतल्लिक मयारी आगाही रखना या तवज्जो करना, यानी हमें ख़ुद को अपडेट रखना या नए आइडियाज़, नई डिस्कवरीज या नई सूरत हाल से आगाह रहना कह सकते हैं. Here is the picture for that and how we are going to use it in sentences like we must read the newspapers to keep abreast of the time. So one should read newspapers if he wants to know about the new discoveries of the time. Here is another sentence. You should watch TV if you want to keep abreast of the new discoveries in the sciences. So once again we have used here to keep abreast of.